Shout out to Betty Booker, Bisquick Original Pancake Mix Bacon. No professional additives, no bubblers.
3 eggs, some Bisquick, a ball, and a whisk. And then if you want, we also have some chocolate chip pieces. Add 3 cups of original Bisquick pancake and baking.
Shout out to Betty Booker.
Chad, you forgot to open the other one.
Add 3 eggs.
Calm yourselves down, Mom. Alright.
Add a cup and a half of milk to the mixture. Should I start mixing?
Yeah.
And mix when you have the eggs, milk, and batter.
Pour the mixture in your desired size on the pan.
On a hot pan. After putting oil on.